Earth's natural wonders. Welcome to a journey through some of the most breathtaking and rare natural wonders of our planet. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen? You won't believe the science behind these phenomena, and there's an amazing secret waiting for you at the end. So, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing videos. As we begin our journey into Earth's natural wonders, let's start with one of the most breathtaking light shows on the planet, Aurora Borealis. Also known as the Northern Lights, these magical waves of color dance in the sky due to charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere. Did you know that there's also a southern version called Aurora Australis? And here's a shocking fact. The Aurora Borealis can sometimes be heard as faint crackling or rustling sounds during intense displays. But the most mysterious aspect is that scientists still don't fully understand why these sounds occur. From glowing skies to glowing seas, nature never fails to amaze us. Just like the Northern Lights, the ocean has its own magical glow, bioluminescent beaches. Imagine walking along the beach at night, and suddenly the waves start glowing blue. It's bioluminescence, caused by microscopic organisms that emit light through a chemical reaction when disturbed. Did you know that some bioluminescent beaches are so bright, they can be seen from space? And in some places, the exact cause of this mesmerizing glow remains a mystery, adding to the allure of these natural wonders. While water can glow in the night, it also has the power to carve through the earth. Over millions of years, it has shaped one of the most stunning landscapes. The Grand Canyon. One of the most jaw-dropping landscapes on Earth is the Grand Canyon in the USA. This massive canyon was carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, revealing layers of Earth's geological history. It stretches 277 miles long and is over a mile deep. And did you know? The Grand Canyon is so vast that it creates its own weather systems. But beyond its visible beauty, the Grand Canyon holds hidden depths and unexplored areas, shrouded in mystery. The power of Earth's forces is not just in carving landscapes, but also in shooting water high into the sky. Let's witness nature's water cannons, geysers. Geysers are nature's own water cannons, shooting hot water high into the air. These happen when underground water is heated by magma and builds up pressure. Old Faithful in Yellowstone National Park erupts every 90 minutes like clockwork. Some geysers can shoot water over 300 feet high. Did you know that geysers can be so powerful they can cause minor earthquakes? But what lies beneath? The mysterious underground sources of geysers are still being explored. Can you guess which country has the most geysers? Put your answer in chat box. Stay tuned till end to explore the answer. Have you ever seen a rainbow at night? That's called a moonbow. A moonbow is a rare rainbow that appears at night, created by moonlight instead of sunlight. Since moonlight is much dimmer, moonbows often look white to the human eye, but cameras can capture their true colors. It's caused by the light of the full moon passing through water droplets in the air. The best places to see moonbows include Victoria Falls and Yosemite National Park. Shockingly, moonbows are so rare that many people go their entire lives without ever seeing one. The conditions needed to create a moonbow are so specific, it's almost like nature's own mystery. Fire rainbows, or circumhorizontal arcs, look like the sky is on fire with colors. A fire rainbow is not actually a rainbow or related to fire. It's a rare optical phenomenon that occurs when sunlight passes through high-altitude ice crystals in cirrus clouds, creating a stunning spectrum of colors across the sky. But they're super rare because the sun has to be at just the right angle. It only appears when the sun is high in the sky, at least 58 degrees above the horizon. Fire rainbows are often mistaken for UFOs. A UFO means unidentified flying object. It is any object in the sky that cannot be immediately identified. Shockingly, they can only be seen in certain parts of the world. The exact atmospheric conditions that lead to fire rainbows remain a mystery, adding to their allure and rarity. Blood Falls, Antarctica's red waterfall. In the icy land of Antarctica, there's a waterfall that looks like it's bleeding. Scientists discovered that the red color comes from iron-rich water that has been trapped underground for millions of years. When it reaches the surface, it reacts with oxygen and turns red. Fun fact, the water in Blood Falls is saltier than seawater, so it never freezes. Shocking fact, the water in Blood Falls is also home to ancient microbes that have survived without sunlight or oxygen for millions of years. Mystery point. Despite extensive research, the exact origins of the red water in Blood Falls remain a mystery, adding to its enigmatic allure. Morning glory clouds, sky waves. Imagine a giant cloud tube rolling across the sky like a wave. These are called morning glory clouds, and they're so rare that pilots travel to Australia just to see them. Scientists still don't fully understand why morning glory clouds form. Shockingly, these clouds can stretch up to 1,000 kilometers long. Adding to the mystery, they only appear a few times a year, making each sighting a rare and spectacular event. Wow, nature is truly amazing. Now here's a question for you. If you could witness one of these wonders in person, which one would it be? Excited to see your answer in comments. And here is the answer of question about geysers. The United States has the most geysers in the world, primarily in Yellowstone National Park, which is home to over 500 geysers, more than half of the world's total. Protecting natural wonders. Many of these natural wonders could disappear in the future. Climate change and pollution are affecting bioluminescent beaches, glacier-fed waterfalls, and even the frequency of northern lights. If we don't protect our planet, some of these incredible phenomena may become history. Shockingly, over 60% of the world's natural wonders are at risk due to human activities. Let's do our part to keep Earth's wonders alive, reduce waste, save water, and protect nature. That's it for today's adventure through nature's wonders. Which natural wonder do you think is the most mysterious and why? Share your answer. If you loved this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.